Welcome back to NextGen Hustle Secrets. In today's class, we're talking about one of the biggest freelancing platforms in the world, Fiverr. Whether you're a complete beginner or a professional with advanced skills, Fiverr is a powerful place to earn real money online. Fiverr allows you to sell digital services online starting at $5. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or a pro. You can offer gigs like graphic design, video editing, website building, voiceovers, writing, social media management, and so much more. The best part? You set your own price, choose your skills, and work with clients worldwide. Fiverr also makes it easy to get paid directly to your bank account or PayPal once the work is completed. Beginners. Let's start with beginners. If you don't have much experience yet, Fiverr still gives you opportunities. You can do simple jobs like data entry, removing backgrounds from photos, managing social media posts, or even creating designs with free tools like Canva. If you have a clear voice, you can also record short voiceovers, greetings, or video testimonials. The secret for beginners is not to chase big money immediately. Start small. Price your services low, maybe $5 or $10. Focus on fast delivery and get those first reviews. On Fiverr, your first few 5-star reviews are worth more than the money itself, because they help you build trust and attract bigger clients later. Professionals. Now for the pros, if you already have strong skills, Fiverr can become a serious business. Graphic designers can offer logos, branding, or packaging design. Writers can create blogs, ebooks, or product descriptions. Developers can build websites, apps, or fix bugs. Video editors can cut YouTube content, TikTok reels, or ads. And marketers can run ads, create SEO strategies, or handle social media campaigns. For pros, the key is to build packages: basic, standard, and premium. Instead of charging $5, you can start from $50, $200, or even $500 depending on your service. Add gig extras like fast delivery or more revisions to maximize your income. How to succeed, both beginners and pros. So how do you succeed on Fiverr, whether you're new or experienced? First, optimize your profile. Use a professional picture or logo. Write a strong bio, and include keywords so clients can find you. Second, create gigs with attractive titles and clear descriptions. Show samples of your work and design eye-catching thumbnails. Third, market your gigs outside Fiverr. Share your links on social media, WhatsApp, or LinkedIn. And finally, customer service is everything. Respond quickly, deliver on time, and always try to over-deliver. That's how you build long-term clients and 5-star reviews. The closing. So whether you're just starting out with no experience or you're a skilled professional, Fiverr has a place for you. Beginners can start small and grow, while pros can charge high and scale big. If you're ready to begin, check out the link in my description to sign up and start your freelancing journey today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to NextGen Hustle Secrets, and stay tuned for our next class where I'll show you another powerful way to make money online.